Uh, Actually, UK and USA is different country, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I live in Bangladesh. I live in a
Okay.
small country in Bangladesh. Small country.
Just more control. Okay.
Yeah. Do you know Bangladesh? Any you do you know?
You know what? Any
Yeah.
country?
Yeah. I'm from Bangladesh.
Probably let's say Pakistan.
Yeah. Also true. Yeah. Also right. Yeah. Pakistan. Also Pakistan. India. Myanmar. Yeah. Right. So you are. What is your name? Are you female or male? I confused. I'm sorry.